Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite prompts and one of the prompts that I use almost daily when I'm starting a new project because it is one of the best ways to get quality output from ChatGPT, especially when you want that back and forth dialogue when you're brainstorming or coming up with ideas or even learning how to do something. And so in this video, I'll walk you through how I created this prompt and how you can use it as a writer. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, we're back in ChatGPT today, and I'm going to be showing you this prompt that I've used multiple times, which I'm just calling the writer tutor prompt. That is extremely versatile. You can use this in all kinds of different use cases, and I'll show you some of those today. But the prompt is basically, if you've watched some of my other videos on prompt engineering, you'll know that I follow this framework of giving the AI a role, then giving it a framework, and then giving it the task that you want it to have and the style you want it to do it in. And that's great. This is really honing in on that idea of a role and giving a role to the AI. And so this is the prompt that we're going to be using today. You're an expert author and editor with over 20 years of experience coaching authors to craft best-selling fiction, discover what they want to write, and some of the best ways to bring their vision to life. Your task is to help me discover the best solutions to whatever I'm struggling with in my writing or author business. You must always ask questions before you answer so you can better zone in on what I am seeking, acting as a writing tutor. Is that understood? So let's break down this prompt a little bit. This first little bit, you're an expert author and an editor with over 20 years of experience, yada, 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 is the role, right? We want to give it a role so that it knows how to behave, basically. And I want to add like the years of experience because that's going to change how it does what it does and further cement the role that it's in. Then we move on to the task, which in this case is to help me discover the best solutions to whatever I'm struggling with in my writing or author business. And so its goal now is to help me figure out what problems I'm working with in my writing. And then this is probably the most important part of this prompt here. You must always ask questions before you answer so you can better zone in on what I am seeking. Having an AI that will ask you questions and go back and forth before giving you answers is absolutely critical for coaching, basically for tutoring, because it helps you to actually think about the problem that you're faced with. And so that's a really great way to figure out what to do about it. So let's go ahead and enter this prompt and see what it gives us. Absolutely, I'm here to support your writing journey. So what's the first area in your writing or author business that you're currently facing challenges with? And so we could start with something simple like, I know I want to write an urban fantasy book series next, but I don't know where to start or what the idea should even be about. So we're using this essentially for brainstorming. Great, let's start exploring that. Urban fantasy can be a very rich genre with a lot of possibilities. To help me understand what might suit you best, and then it gives us 4 questions, and thereby following this prompt to always ask questions before the answer. So let's see. Can you share some urban fantasy books or authors that you've enjoyed, or perhaps elements of the genre you find particularly compelling? Yep. Themes or character types, ideas or elements that you'd like to include in your series, or is the canvas completely blank at this point? Are there any unique experiences or perspectives from your own life that you might want to incorporate? So I'm going to go ahead and answer these and get back to you in a second. All right, so I've answered these 4 questions. I said I really like urban fantasy books that involve a capable heroine and where magic starts out as a secret, but by the end of the series, everyone in the world knows about it. And to answer about the themes or character types I just said I like capable female protagonists. And then the question is, do you have an initial ideas, even vague ones that you'd like to include? I said I like mythology, so I'd like there to be a mythological element to all of this. And then it had a fourth question, and I just said, nope, I got nothing for that. I think the question was about any experiences from my own life. And so I'm curious to see what it'll do if I just don't give it anything. So let's see what it gives us. So it's now given us a list of more questions. And again, this is drilling down deeper. So we have first the heroine. Could she be a figure who's central to the revelation of the secret world of magic? Perhaps she herself is unaware of it at the beginning of the series and gradually uncovers her own magical abilities or heritage. I would say yes, probably. The mythological element. Given your interest in mythology, are there any specific mythologies you're drawn to? Greek, Norse, Egyptian, or would you prefer creating a unique mythology for your series? I would probably say Egyptian. Magic exposure. Can you share more about how you'd like this unveiling of magic to happen? Would it be a sudden event or gradual escalating exposure throughout the series? Setting. Urban fantasy often has a strong sense of place. Is there a particular city or type of city you want to use as a backdrop, or is this something you're still considering? I would probably put something like Washington, D.C. or something in there. Place where I've lived or lived near. So that's a general overview. And you can keep answering these questions to your heart's content and really getting a sense for what you want your book to be about. And this is almost like the AI is prompting you to really get you to think about how to approach a problem. And you can use this in any aspect of your author business if you're stumped. This is a great way to get past writer's block. You just tell it the initial prompt I gave you, and then say, I'm dealing with writer's block. How do I get through this? And it can, in fact, let's do that right now. Let's open up another chat here. Paste the same prompt that we started with again into here and see what it gives us. Oop. That's GPT 3.5. We want GPT 4. Let's try it again. Okay. So it's now saying, yes, I can help you with that. What are you specifically dealing with? And it even listed writer's block right here. So let's just say I'm dealing with writer's block. I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing writer's block. It can be frustrating, a frustrating experience, but don't worry. It's something every writer faces at some point. In order to better help you, could you provide more details? For instance, are you finding it hard to start a new project, continue a current one, or finish one? What stage of the process are you at, and what are some thoughts or fears that come up when you try to write? I'm in the middle of a project and I just don't feel like writing anymore. This is kind of a true story from a few years ago when I was dealing with burnout. I thought it was writer's block, but it was actually burnout. So we're going to see if the AI can get to the bottom of this. And there it is. What exactly are you feeling? Is it a lack of motivation or enthusiasm for your current project? Or are you experiencing burnout, perhaps due to excessive writing or dealing with other stresses in life? See, it knows that something might be up. So I could say, what would burnout look like? Because let's say I don't really know what burnout looks like. All right, so it gave me a bunch of different lists of what burnout looks like. And I can just say, yeah, some of those definitely resonate with me. I think I might have burnout. And for some reason, it looks like ChatGPT is glitching out on me a little bit and it's not actually writing anymore. So don't know what's going on there, but you can see what's going on. And that this prompt can turn the AI not into just a writing coach to help walk you through things that you might be dealing with, but it can also teach you about different forms of writing. It could also teach you be like a brainstorming partner. It can help you develop a character, like it's asking you questions about your character that you might not have thought to answer. And so you can add those in as well. It's a great way to really flesh out things in a way that you wouldn't necessarily know to even ask in the first place. And so I hope this has been helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.